In this video, we're going to review how to add .c and .h files to a project. You'll notice we have the same microcompiler and simulator settings that we started with before, as noted in the dashboard. If you ever lose the dashboard, you can always find it by clicking Window, Dashboard. Another useful item in MPLAB X is the Files tab. If you click on it, it'll show you all the files that exist in your project. In our case, we only have main.c, but we're going to add more as we go. So let's get started. Let's add a C source file for initializing the ports. To keep it simple, we're just going to call it port init, and we're going to stick with our same camel case structure. Notice how port init appears in the source files. This makes it very convenient for us to search and provide some other C benefits that we'll talk about later. So now we're going to actually start writing some code for port init. In order to use all the built-in header files that are provided by the XC compiler, I need to include a file called xc.h. This gives this file visibility of all the keywords used for this particular microcontroller. This includes all the special function registers. In this case, we're going to make RB0 an output by writing to the structure member that points to that particular bit. More about structures later. Now let's try and call this port init from main and see what happens. Oops, looks like we forgot to add a prototype for port init. So let's do that now. We're simply going to right click under the header files, say new C header file, and make a file called prototypes.h. Let's get rid of all this extra junk and simply put the prototype for port init. And now we have to add the prototype prior to main, just as we always do. Success! Thanks for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn how to make and edit a configuration file, as well as add and clean up some other include files in your project. See you next time.